As researched in building underground cities, these habitats utilize advanced technology.
Harnessing the power of AI, we have begun construction on the world's first network of underwater cities, a testament to sustainable innovation.